Alright, let's run a quick checklist you can actually use. Types of invoices in accounting. Number 1, Proforma Invoice. Think of this as a preview bill. I send it before delivery so the buyer knows the estimated cost, scope, and terms. Perfect for quotes, approvals, customs pre-clearance. It's not a demand for payment, just a detailed estimate. Number 2, Sales Invoice, also called a tax invoice. This is the official pay me document after goods or services are delivered. Buyer details. Date. Unique invoice number. Item descriptions, quantities, unit price, subtotal, VAT or GST, total due and payment terms. This is what your books and taxes rely on. Number 3, Credit Invoice or Credit Note. I issue this to reduce what a customer owes. Returns, early payment discounts, a pricing mistake. It references the original invoice and shows a negative amount. Number 4, Recurring Invoice. If I bill monthly for a subscription, maintenance or retainers. Subscription, maintenance, retainers. I set invoices to go out automatically with the same line items and terms at fixed intervals. Great for cash flow predictability. Number 5, Purchase Invoice. This is what I receive from a supplier when I'm the buyer. In my accounting system, it's a bill payable. I match it to the purchase order and the goods receipt to avoid overpaying or missing discrepancies. Number 6, Commercial Invoice for international trade. It's like a sales invoice plus customs data. Shipper info, consignee info, detailed product descriptions, HS codes, country of origin, Incoterms, shipping method, declared value, duty and tax details. Without it, goods get stuck at the border. Number 7, Debit Invoice or Debit Note. If I underbilled or there were extra charges, rush fees, additional hours, I issue a debit note to increase the amount payable. It references the original invoice and shows the additional amount. Number 8, Timesheet Invoice. Consultants, freelancers, and agencies use this to bill for hours worked, date range, tasks, hourly rate, total hours, any reimbursable expenses. Pair it with approved timesheets for smooth approvals. Quick checklist time. Quote first, use Proforma. Delivered, send sales tax invoice. Need a reduction, credit note subscription, recurring. You're the buyer. Purchase invoice, shipping abroad. Commercial invoice, need an increase. Debit note, billing hours. Timesheet invoice. Pro tips, always use unique invoice numbers, clear payment terms, and due dates. Attach backup, POs, delivery notes, timesheets, automate reminders, and enable online payment links to get paid faster. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop invoice in the comments. I'll DM you my free invoice templates and a one-page checklist. See you in the next one.